Here's a simple way to make chili for the family. You don't need a crock pot and you don't need a lot of accoutrements. You get McCormick's hot chili mix. You turn the package over, there's a recipe in the back. The recipe calls for the chili powder, a pound of ground beef or turkey, a can of diced tomatoes, and a can of kidney beans or pinto beans. I prefer kidney. The cook time on this is 15 to 20 minutes. This is a very simple recipe. I'm gonna put it together. There's a lot of ways that you could shop and get great recipes by just turning the package around. And they give you great, easy recipes that you can make for your family on a budget as well. So I'm gonna get a backup today so I could have it in my pantry. So let's go. They have the original chili by McCormick's. Here's the McCormick's hot. I'm gonna get this one instead. And the price right now is pick 4 for 99 cents. I'm gonna take 4. One, because this is a pantry essential for me. So it's 99 cents right now. Got it. Member price $1.50. So I'm gonna grab a couple of kidney beans for my chili. So I'm gonna get the diced fire roasted tomatoes. They're on special 2 for $4. Grab 2 of these. The strawberries are on sale, a pound each, 2 for $5. That's a great buy. Yeah, by the way, if you're picking produce, because I was in import-export for such a long time, the top part called the shoulders. And when you see white, you refer to that as it has white shoulders. Also turn it over as well, because this is where you'll see bruising at the bottom of the package. And what produce graders do, or quality inspectors do, is they shake the clamshell, and then they see if there's any bruising, any leaking.
Welcome. If you have your club card, your card has been accepted. $2.50 savings 51 cents. $2. $2.49 savings $1.
Okay, everybody, so this is my haul from Vons today. I paid $39.68, mostly essentials for the week. I paid 99 cents for this package here. Pound of ground beef, I bought this at Costco for $4.19 a pound. 1 can of fire roasted diced tomatoes and 1 can of Bush's kidney beans. Yep, it's ready. Okay, so we're gonna add the McCormick seasoning into this. Okay, we're gonna let that cook up real nice and get nice and brown. Okay, so now we're gonna add the fire roasted tomato, undrained kidney beans. Kidney beans you will drain. Cover this and let it simmer for 10 minutes.
It looks good, Lisa. No.
Okay, so after everything is said and done, 4 servings per package, priced per serving was $2.16. Today, I do appreciate you being a part of my morning, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care, everybody.